HP deskjet 2700, 2700E, 4100, 4100E Wi-Fi connection guide. Ensure the printer is powered on and ready. Press and hold the wireless button, or wireless cancel for 5 seconds, until the light blinks, activating setup mode. Install the HP Smart app on your phone or PC from the App Store or HP website to simplify setup. Launch the HP Smart app and follow the on-screen instructions to add a new printer. The app will search for printers in setup mode. Choose your model from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi network name and password in the app, allowing the printer to connect to your network. Once connected, the app will confirm and guide you to complete the setup, such as print alignment. Print a test page to ensure the connection is successful.